If you want to record phone calls on iPhone 17, here's what you need to do. First, we can check if you have a built-in option that allows you to record phone calls. So in order to check that, if you have an ongoing call, you can, for example, tap on the dynamic island in order to open the call menu. And if you do happen to have the option to record calls, you should be able to find it somewhere over here. Most likely it will be in the upper left side of the menu, of the call menu. Maybe in more, although I'm pretty sure it should be somewhere over there. At least this is how it was in the past. Unfortunately, as you can see, I don't really have that option. This built-in call recording option is not available in every region or in every country, and unfortunately I do live in a country where call recording is generally speaking not available for the most part. And in addition to that, just to make sure that you do or do not have a call recording option, a built-in option, you can go to settings. And in the settings, you want to scroll all the way down and open apps. Then we want to go to the phone app. There we go. And then if you scroll down to the calls section, somewhere over here, you might be able to find call recording setting or option. And usually it is like somewhere between call waiting and show my caller ID. If you do not have that option, then it just obviously means that you don't have access to that. If you do happen to have that option in here, then you want to go over there and make sure that the call recording option is actually enabled, so that you can actually record phone calls. Now, in case you do not have that option in settings, but you still want to make phone call recordings, then in that case you need to use the App Store, and you need to find and download a third-party app that allows you to record phone calls. In order to find them, it is pretty straightforward. You just have to search for them over here. So use the search button in the bottom right corner, then the search bar over here, and then we can type call recording or call recorder. And you should be able to find a bunch of different apps, and unfortunately I didn't try any of them really by myself, so you definitely have to try them on your own. And of course, due to the fact that we have many different options, then you should be able to eventually find something that should work and something that you will enjoy using. You can try to suggest yourself or decide which one to use based on ratings. Right now this one seems to be the best one. And apparently we do have the option to record phone calls with this app over here, so you can give it a try. And that's pretty much it. These apps are usually also pretty easy to set up. You just have to follow the instructions that you will see on the screen. Everything that will be needed for the app to make it work should pop up on the screen, and if you grant all these accesses or permissions actually, then you should be able to make phone call recordings, or you should be able to record phone calls. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.